Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix Instagram profile update error. For example, if you want to update your Instagram profile and you get an error in this regard. For example, if I go to change my profile photo and select any random photo for my Instagram profile, and I want to update that Instagram profile, like you can see in the video, if I select one of the photos from my gallery and I want to use it as my Instagram profile, after selecting many, like one of the default filters in Instagram, as you can see in the video, if I select one of the filters in the Instagram after editing my Instagram profile, and if I click on OK or arrow button and I want to update my Instagram profile, then there is an error which occurs as we couldn't update your profile picture. Please confirm you have an internet connection and try again in a moment. Now, if you want to solve this type of error, there are many solutions for that error. The first one is, first of all, you have to check your Instagram update. You have to check whether your Instagram app is recently updated or not. If it is updated, then you don't have to update it, as I have already updated the latest Instagram app. And so if you don't have, then you have to update your Instagram app. After that, you can check your internet connection, like I am using my mobile data connection, and if you are using Wi-Fi connection, then you can restart your router or Wi-Fi device so that there should be not error related to that internet connection. There is another solution which can solve this problem. Is you have to go to your Android settings and find apps. In apps, you have to search for Instagram. If you search for Instagram and click on Instagram, then you have to unload your Instagram app, which means you have to clear all your caches on Instagram and forcefully stop your Instagram app so that you can restart your Instagram easily. So that error can be easily resolved by this method. After that, you can open your Instagram and again you can upload your profile which you want to upload on Instagram profile as your DP. As you can see in the video, if I select profile and I want to update profile photo, then this time it will not occur that error. Hope you have find this information. Kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos.